Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to explain how we can change keyboard shortcuts. The first question is, you might ask, what's keyboard shortcuts? Maybe you know them, but you don't use them. You say you don't care. Okay. So the keyboard shortcut is that when you are stopping on this, you see wall. It shows WA. The WA is a shortcut for wall. What does that mean? Instead of coming here and selecting the wall to activate the wall, actually I'm going to escape this and I'm using the keyboard shortcut for this wall, which is WA. Don't enter it, it's not like AutoCAD, okay? Just WA on the keyboard and it will activate the wall. It says which wall do you want? I'll select it and I can click on the wall. This is the keyboard shortcut. Actually, how some of the uh, uh, commands have keyboard shortcuts like the door, window, WM for window, column, CL component, place a component, CM. We have ceiling. Ceiling does not have any shortcut. We have railing. The railing does not have any shortcut. The ramp does not have any shortcut. The stair does not have any shortcut. The model text does not have. Some of them they will not have keyboard shortcut, but you can create it. How we can do that? Actually, you can go to the keyboard shortcuts panel by going to View tab and going to User Interface and go to here. It's called Keyboard Shortcut. It says KS. It means KS is a shortcut for it. If I click on this, it will show this keyboard shortcut. If I close it, I will use the keyboard shortcut for it, KS, and the keyboard shortcut will pop up. Okay. Another way is to go to the file and go to the options and go to the user interface and go to the keyboard shortcuts customize. Okay, like this. I'll use the keyboard shortcut KS. It will be faster for you. Please try to use keyboard shortcuts because it will help you. I'm trying to make a keyboard shortcut for the stair. I'll press KS. Sorry for the noises around because I'm not in a good place, but I'm trying to make the video. Okay, I apologize for this. So the keyboard shortcut for some of them, let's see, the modify is MD, as we said in the previous lectures or in the previous videos. You see some of them has keyboard shortcuts, but I want to assign the keyboard shortcut for the stair. Okay, I'll search for stair and I'll select the stair. I'll say ST and assign. Actually, if I assign it, it will pop up. It says duplicate shortcut. The shortcut ST is currently assigned to the command tangents. So this shortcut is applied to another command. So I am canceling this. I will say, for example, I will say S1. So S1 will activate the stair. I will assign it. It's like this. It's assigned, or I can select it and remove it. I will assign it. Let me see S1. It will be assigned. And you can try to import any shortcuts in the previous versions you wrote, or you can export the shortcuts in this way. So you can use it in other laptops. For example, you have a shortcut, you assigned a shortcut in your home on your laptop, and when you go to the office or your university or any place, you see that the other computer does not have the same shortcuts that you have assigned. So you can export it, and you will export it from desktop and save it. And when you go to the other computer, you will try to import it. Okay, from here, you will import it like this. So the S1, let's say S1 is for S1. activated the step. I'll close it and I will try KS and I will go to the step. I will try to remove this one. Actually, I'm not using the S1. That's how you can assign the shortcuts. So the quote of the today is, it says the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. See you soon. Bye.